Hey, what is up, squad? That's probably the most annoying intro ever, but who cares? All right. Today's video, we're gonna be talking about how to set up your handy dandy little ledger, guys. I have my right connected over here. My disk. Oh, I was talking like that. But guys, we're gonna be talking about how to set up your ledger, guys, because it's actually pretty simple how to use it. And more specifically for Valify, when we're talking about how to transfer your NFTs onto your ledger. Because it actually really isn't that difficult. So let me explain this to you. Let me break this down to you. Let's get straight into the video, all right? So what we're gonna be doing is, if you haven't already done so already, you're going to need to download the Genosis app, okay? There's a Genosis app. First, let me plug in my ledger right now. Plug in my ledger over here. Wow, I have too many things plugged in. Too many things plugged in right now, but it's okay because I'm just gonna unplug that. And I'll put this in here. Bada bing, bada boom, just like that. All right, cool. Bada bing, bada boom. I'm taking that. I'm plugging it in right here, just like that. Bam. Cool. You should see it start to light up just like that. Bam. Just enter PIN. But you guys probably aren't there yet. So let me just explain really quick a couple of things that you need to do prior to do that, you know? So there's a ledger. Name this. Whoops, that's embarrassing. So it's called ledger.com, guys. You're gonna wanna go over to ledger.com. You're gonna wanna download the latest version of Ledger onto your desktop, all right? Pretty simply, just like that. And once you're done downloading that, what you wanna do now is you wanna go over to here. I think I already have it downloaded. Ledger Live, all right? You're gonna download Ledger Live. And it's gonna give you a quick start guide. I'm so annoying. All right. It pops up. I was popping up my second window over here. Come on now. Stop. Don't do that. Don't do this to me. Come on. I'm trying to show off in front of my friends. Don't do that to me. All right, cool. All right. So once it goes over here, it's gonna take you to a prompt. And what it's gonna do, it's gonna have you set up your MetaMask. And what it's gonna have you do is it's gonna have you input a code. Okay. A little pin. And the way it's going to work is you input the pin onto your ledger right there. And once you're done inputting it, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put it onto the Ethereum mainnet on here. So when you first start out, so I'll pull up my pin. Let me pause real quick so I can put my pin in. It'll take a minute. All right, cool. So once you put your pin in, I usually click. There's two options over here. One for Avalanche for me, is one for Ethereum. I just go to Ethereum just like that, click on it, application ready, it says. All right, you should already have this app. You should already have this app downloaded. Pretty much what this app allows you to do is allows you to start it up, allows you to put the pin in, and allows you to do things like that. Okay, but pretty simply stated, what you want to do now is once you have this all set up, what you want to do is you want to connect it to a MetaMask. And in order to do that, you're going to want to be going to your MetaMask over here. And what you want to do then is you're going to want to do this. You're going to press import, connect a hardware wallet. Just like that. And you click on Ledger. And you click on that. You're going to press continue. But I already did it before. I already done it. I already did it. So what's going to allow you to do is you're probably going to have to put in either your PIN or you're going to need to put your secret code in again into there to connect the hardware wallet. But then you're going to come up with this. And what you're pretty much going to do is you're going to use this as a regular MetaMask wallet. But the only thing is that your funds are going to be displayed on there, but it's actually going to be like in here, which kind of sounds a little confusing. This is going to be the passcode too. In order for you to open up the MetaMask, you have to always type in this PIN every single freaking time. I know sometimes it does get annoying, but that's why you bought a Ledger, okay? But cool, as you can see, I'm dirt poor over here. So if you guys, that's my address over there. If you guys want to send me money, put my money over there. You put it right there. Just screenshot the account right there. Send me some monies, okay? But that's not what we're here for, all right? So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to use this as a regular freaking MetaMask. We're going to go to Valify app. And we're going to go over to the store, okay? Dop. And what we're going to be doing is I'm going to show you exactly how you can, there you go, connect to the MetaMask. Click Ledger, boom, boom, press connect. And that's really how you connect it, just like that. I probably won't be able to approve it, mainly because I don't have any monies in here, so I don't even know this is gonna load up, to be honest. But I can get to load up my other one. So let me go over to this. We go over here. I'm just gonna go through the process of transferring from a MetaMask to your Ledger. All right, I think that's the easiest way. Go over here, connect to this MetaMask, go to Avalanche, bada bing, bada boom, and I have a couple of legendary yield keys over here. So it's very, very simple. Like I said, using the Ledger as an ordinary wallet, okay? As an ordinary wallet. So what we're gonna be doing is, let's say you want to transfer 4270. Take this, the one I actually bought yesterday. Take 4270. We're gonna receiver address, we're gonna go over here. We're gonna go to this, and it's just going to be this address. And what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna push it on here, and you press transfer. But I don't want to transfer it, okay? But yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. He's doing that. You can transfer it over, and what's I'm gonna do is to transfer over to this ledger, okay? Maybe I should transfer it all. Maybe keep it all on my ledger. Maybe that makes sense. You know, could possibly make sense. So why don't we just do that? All right. So I got, how many do I have here? Let me go back. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, 15. I got 15. Yes, sir. And I bought my sister 2 too. All right. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna transfer all these things, all these yield keys over to this wallet. And I also should transfer some monies over to them too, so we can improve that marketplace. So let me just show you how to do that real quick. That's actually a good thing to show. All right, so we're gonna go to my assets. You can see I have 15 NFTs, no money USDs. I'm poor. No, I'm not. Go over here, take this MetaMask Addy, boom, boom, bada bing, bada boom, 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 bing, bing, bam, boom. I'm gonna put over like 0.1. I know that's not a lot. I know, guys. 0.13, just to make you guys happy, okay? All right, send it over, and let's send it over right there. Just so you can move in marketplace, so you can improve the marketplace on me Ledger. Give it a second. Give it another second. Bomb. Someone said bomb. All right, and now you have 0.13 AVAX. So what we're gonna do is improve the marketplace. I should refresh the screen and improve the marketplace. Boom. Boom. Just like that. And I see the marketplace here. All right. Now the same way, once it approves, maybe I probably refresh it. I think did I approve it just now? I wasn't even paying attention. I was penning stuff. All right, so let that pen. I don't know if I'm going to transfer all of my yield keys over to his ledger. I don't know if I want to. I got to think about that for a second. While this loads, I'll think about it. I was pretty happy yesterday because yesterday I was able to buy the floor price of the yield keys is actually pretty low. It's at 6.1. So I snagged one yesterday from the marketplace at 6.1 and got myself a steal, to be honest. You know, right there, I just made myself a 6.1 to 6.9, 6.9, I mean 0.8, I guess, on my money. So 0.8 AVAX. AVAX is like 90, so $100, maybe 80, maybe $70 I made on that. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. But yeah, I don't think in this video I'm going to transfer, well, I don't think I want to transfer all of these from this MetaMask, my personal MetaMask, over to this. I don't think I want to do that, but I just want to show you that it's actually very, very simple to do so. Like I said, you go over here, go to NFT address, 4270, receiver address is like, use this just like a freaking thingy, you know? Oh, I gotta prove that real quick. You see that right there, by the way? It says the reason why I wasn't even paying attention, the reason why it's still pending, usually AVAX is fast, is because you got to review the transaction. Okay. It says now in your ledger, they got to review your transaction. So I just scroll to the right. It says, first thing says review transaction, blind signing, amount 0 AVAX, address 1, address 2, address 3, network avalanche, max fees 1, 2, 3, accept and send. Boom. And I just double click it with both clicks. And now, once I did that, you got to give it a couple of seconds. And now it's actually going to go. Bam, just like that. So approve for all. just like that. Refresh it real quick, and bam. So, like I said, it's just the ledger is the same thing as a MetaMask. You know, the MetaMask, you're just displaying your ledger on there, and it's very, very simple because all you're doing is you're just signing prior to any sending out of money, any approval, anything. You just had to sign in your ledger prior to you using your MetaMask. That makes sense. So if I were to transfer on here 47.0 to this one, let's take this address right here, bada bing, bada boom, take this over here, bada bing, bada boom, put it over here, But to do that, if I were to transfer it, what I'm just gonna add a transfer. Actually, no, because this is coming from a personal wallet, so I wouldn't have to transfer there. But if I was transferring from my ledger to a personal wallet, then I would have to sign on my ledger. Okay, just to make things simple. All right. The next thing I want to do is, I don't know if I want to transfer this over. Fuck it, let's transfer it all over. So 021438 CD, that's my address. Ends in C5CF. Transferring over there. We're transferring this one. It's gonna cost a little AVAX, cost $1. Just so I can show you guys. Yeah, so we're just transferring one for now. Token successfully transferred. Excellent. Now you give us a second. Refresh this maybe. And there you go. Now you have 4270 right over here. Let's do this for all of them real quick. My says already have 4270. Let's refresh this real quick. But then we don't have 4270 anymore. All right, excellent. Get this over here. Copy that. Boom, 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 boom. Send another one. Send them all through. It's very, very simple to send them through. We send them through right now. I might just pause this video because I don't want you guys to just wait while I transfer all these fucking things. Okay, guys, so this is really embarrassing. Hold up. I have one more to transfer over. Oops. But I don't have enough cash in my wallet, literally on the last one. So right now I'm just buying some more money, more Avalanche token. But I transferred them all over. I'm probably gonna end all this video right now. I just have literally one more just freaking transfer over to my Ledger account. It's all in here, which is I think is very, very handy dandy. I think it's actually really cool. But yeah, guys, Ledger is honestly pretty simple to use. Well, just like everything else, once you know how to use it, it's kind of simple to use. But yeah, so like I said, Ledger, simply stated, is that it's just a passcode over your MetaMask. I think is the best way to really kind of put it, you know. And whereas the MetaMask is not here, it's kind of like in your actual hardware wallet. But yeah, pretty simple, guys. Whenever you're just making a transaction in Ledger, you just got to make sure you sign it down below. You're going to click it. You're going to scroll to the right all the way till it says sign. You go past the transaction hash, past the transaction, whatever data or something like that. And at the very end, it's going to show sign it. You double click with both buttons and then you're signed. All right. The only thing is you got to make sure you sign it before everything when you're using Ledger. But yeah, guys, hope this helped. Speak blade. All right. Hope this helped. I'm going to transfer over my last one over to my Ledger account. Guys, it's very simple to use. Just make sure you're using the right account. Make sure you just have it like this. You know, obviously I have a Valify one, MetaMask is without a Ledger, and I have this one. The way I connected this one, once again, recap is just press connect hardware wallet. Pretty simple. All right. And I don't think I had to put my security phrase on. I think I had to put like my PIN on there. Something I don't remember exactly what I had to do, but all I have to do is press connect hardware wallet and I click Ledger. And it's pretty simple, guys. I forgot the last step. I know I'm the worst. Okay. So now I got everything transferred over, guys. I spent the extra money because I didn't have any more memory last time. Well, you guys obviously saw this, that I didn't have enough cash. I bought some more, put some more monies into here. All you got to do now is we got to actually import the actual address onto here so that we can see that we have them over here. So what we're going to be doing is you're going over to here to our little Discord channel. Token ID, bada bing, bada boom, taking this. That's the value NFT. It's the token ID, so I'm going to add them both. Zero. Add custom token, import token. Oh, that was actually one. I wonder what this one is. One token avalanche network. I think it's the same one. I think this might be the same one. Oops. I'm pretty sure it's the same one. Let me see. Let me just double check this one real quick. As you can see, I got my 15 tokens right there. Yeah, it's already been added. See, that's what I'm saying. All right, cool. But as you can see, I got my 15 value tokens over there. All right. And that was pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll talk to you later. Peace out, guys. And that's really it.